Former Chief Minister and leader of opposition Bhupen Singh Hooda raised the demand for a CBI inquiry into the paper leak and recruitment scam during the discussion in the Vidhan Sabha. Rajya Sabha MP Deepen Hooda arrived in Jhajjar today to participate in many social programs. He participated in the program organized at places like Subana, Samaspur Majra, village of Badli Light. During this, he was warmly welcomed at various places on the way. Britain has reported another 174 coronavirus-related deaths, the highest number of fatalities recorded in the one day since 175 were recorded on March 12, according to the official figures. Congress MLA from NIT Assembly constituency Neeraj Sharma raised many important issues in the monsoon session of the Assembly, which latest for the 3 days. These include issues ranging from the problems of the NIT Assembly constituency to the state level issues that plague the people of the state. After protesting from Lalganj, parents adult Vishal Pandey's son Rameshwar Pandey, resident of Jagdishpur, Julie Pandey, resident Diho, was disconcerted by the village head and his front of respected people of the area at Kapadiya Baba Ashram by putting Jaimala around each other's neck and living together. There is a lot of discussion in the area about the promise of that. The birth anniversary of late Rajiv Gandhi, the father of Bharat Ratna communication revolution, was celebrated during a 3-day stay under the Nagar Vidhan Sabha constituency in the Gram Sabha Patkholi city of Nyay Panchayat Jeera Basti, and took out the oath of the constituency by taking out the Prabhat Feri while doing Shramdan. Government in Punjab for a month now boiled over on Tuesday, with at least 30 MLAs including 4 cabinet ministers openly revolting against CM Captain Amrinder Singh and declaring they no longer have faith in his ability to deliver on poll promise. Afghans abroad, a convoy of buses that was given a Taliban escort to Kabul's airport, spoke Sunday of the heartbreak of driving past huge crowds desperate to join them. 2 members of the US House of Representatives traveled to Afghanistan on Tuesday, prompting a warning from House Speaker Nancy Pelosi, who said such trips could divert resources from the evacuation of Americans and at-risk Afghans. The Supreme Court on Tuesday said the Biden administration likely violated federal law in trying to end a Trump-era program that forces people to wait in Mexico while seeking asylum in the US. Global star Priyanka Chopra, who is currently shooting for a project in London, marked the 71st birth anniversary of her late father Ashok Chopra with a special cake.